If you take a look at my screen right here, you can see that I made $250 from this network, over $1,700 with this network with my latest payment that came in this month. As you can see, $1,600. Another network right here that I'm making commissions with every single day is they do. And also I received one payment from Lost Posts. If you're interested how I would make $10,000 per month with CPA marketing if I had to start over again, then make sure to watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to showcase briefly how I'm making all of these different types of commissions, what traffic sources I'm using, and what types of offers I'm promoting. Now, my name is Damien Belak, and I've been a CPA marketer, affiliate marketer, content creator for the past 7 years now. And I have lots of experience with CPA marketing, paid advertising. So I'm going to showcase my blueprint to making these commissions in this video. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we publish videos like this every single week. Also, make sure to smash the like button below. This keeps me motivated to create more awesome content just like this for you. With that being said, let's dive into my computer. Now, the very first thing that I would do if I was to start all over and I wanted to make $10,000 per month as soon as possible, I would make sure I have a monthly budget. So it's not possible to do paid ads if you're completely broke. Of course, you need a budget to start advertising online. And I always say this in every single video, also in my school community, that you don't want to start with paid advertising if you are completely broke and have like $100, your last $100 in your bank account. Make sure you have a stable job, a stable income on the side that you can start with, right? You can use that income and reinvest it into paid advertising, because you can burn through your budget very, very quickly if you don't know what you're doing. And I'm gonna do my best to showcase how I make money with CPA marketing and to minimize the risk on, spending your budget really quickly with paid advertising. So first things first, obviously you need an advertising network that you're gonna sign up to, right? And you're gonna purchase ads. So one of the best advertising networks that I use right now, right? I've used many in the past. I've used several networks, and one of the ones that I like using right now is Adstera. Now, this is one of the most established brands in the industry. You can see logo right there in the background. I've done some previous projects for Adstera and we have a good business relationship. So that's why I'm not really sponsored or anything, but I always recommend them as a go-to very good traffic source. They have some awesome quality traffic. And most of these payments I've received that I showcased in the intro, right? I used Adstera to promote these offers. So the first thing you want to do is sign up as an advertiser, right? Just click on the sign up button. You can sign up with the link in the description below this video. It's completely free, and just fill in your personal information like your email address and stuff like that and hit register. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the back office, the dashboard, and how to navigate. So as you can see, guys, this is my Adstera dashboard, and just to show you that I do actually run these ads myself, and these are not screenshots or anything. You can see that I'm actually running ads every single day. For example, today, or from the 22nd to the 28th, I'm testing a new campaign. I spent $33 and received 35,000 impressions. This is a pop campaign. So just to show you the back office, the dashboard, and how to navigate, here is your menu bar on the left side right here. Here's your dashboard. This is what I'm in right now. You can see your stats, impressions, and how much you spent, right? So this is like a brief overview. Then you can see your stats, right? Your campaigns right here. So if you click on my campaigns, here you can see all the list of your campaigns that you're running actively and the ones that you have paused. So as you can see, I'm running a couple of campaigns this month. And then you can take a look at the traffic chart, right? You can click on this menu bar. So I use this chart like every single day. If I'm running new offers, I always take a look at the traffic chart to see the recommended CPMs based on all of these different ad units, traffic types. All right, so if it's mainstream and adult, so if you click on adult, you can see the CPM changes to, let's see, where's India, 9 cents, right? So adult traffic is recommended 9 cents and mainstream is 70 cents for India, okay? So guys, this is a very good indicator to show you how much is the recommended CPM per GEO locations. Then you have your offers wish list page right here. Now this is just to show you all of the different types of offers that are working well with Adstera's traffic. Of course, then you have your deposit page right here. You can add funds. As I said at the beginning of this video, make sure to have a side income, right? a monthly income from your job or from your other online business or whatever that is to fund your CPA campaigns. Do not go into CPA marketing if you're broke. Like, that's a big no. When I started back in 7 years, I started with free traffic and then I transitioned into paid traffic. So the minimum deposit is $100 plus VAT, so you're gonna be credited $80. Now I'm gonna be going into budgets and testing campaigns in just a minute, and I'm gonna really try to explain how much is a good budget, right, per campaign. Then you have your tracking, right, your conversion tracking, which is to track your conversions. Now here you have two options. You can either use an expensive tracking tool like CPA Lab Pro. This is the one I have. It's like $2,000, big money. Or you can go the free route, which is S2S Postback, which is more than enough to get you started and track your basic pop and push campaigns, right? So basically what this means is that you're going to integrate your CPA network with your advertiser network through an S2S Postback URL by changing some simple macros, right? So this is going to be responsible for transferring conversions from your CPA network back to your advertiser network, so you can really optimize and scale and take a look at all the data and where the conversions are coming from. Now, of course, before you start advertising, you need an offer, and for offers, I recommend networks like AFME.com, CPA Roll, Zadew. You have Los Polos, which has smart link offers. You have networks like Toro Advertising. You have even Altera has their own CPA network. There's many options out there. It really depends on what type of vertical you're going into, because all of these different types of CPA networks have different verticals. For example, AFME.com has more adult and dating offers. CPA Roll has many utility offers, VPNs, ad blocks. Zadew has many offers that are simple flow, like CPIs, game installs, app installs, quiz submits, email submits, and stuff like that. And Los Polos has smart links, right? Smart links are offers basically that you can run traffic to, and you don't have to target one specific GEO location. So there's just one link. If you click on casual dating, there's just one single link, and you can run traffic to this link from all geolocations. So as you can see, worldwide. So here is exactly what I would do if I was to start over and I was looking to make 10K per month with CPA marketing. So what I would do is I would launch a pop campaign, right? So if you click on create campaign, you have advertising formats, as you can see, and you have a couple of options here, which is pop under, social bar, native banner, in-page push, and interstitial, right? Now, pop under is a good advertising format for beginners and for simple flow offers because you don't have to create ad creatives. Then you have social bar, which is push notifications, right? And here you're gonna have to add your creatives and your title, description, images, logo, stuff like that. So push notifications are what pops up on your screen, right? And you decide to click on it or you decide you don't want to click on it. So you can receive these push notifications on your desktop, device, your phone, whatever that is. Now, to launch a successful push notification campaign, you really need to focus on good ad creatives. And that comes down to your title, description, and image. Because if you have low quality creatives, nobody's going to click on them, and CTR is very important, right? The more people click on your notifications, the more clicks and impressions you're going to receive. But if I was to start over, all I would do is click on pop on the campaign, right? I would select an offer. So let's just do a quick offer selection right here. So I'm going to click on offers. I'm going to go with mobile apps and utility. I'm going to click on, let's just go with this one right here. So safe proxy browser. And as you can see, here are your geolocations that you can target. So basically Canada has an eCPM of 0.695 and the payout is almost $1. Here is your vertical, conversion type, your platform, and your targeting information. Now you want to name your offer, so safe proxy, right? And you want to select your geolocation. Now here's what I wanted to mention is very important when you're testing your first initial campaign is to select the right geolocation. Now before you go ahead and select your geolocation, I want to share with you a very important key step here. Now it might look better to promote an offer like Canada because the payout is 99 cents than, for example, let's just go with Colombia. The payout is only 13 cents, but that's not always the case. If you look at the testing budget for CPA campaigns, you can see the minimum recommended test budget for an offer in the United States is $100. And then for a minimum test budget for a country like Mexico, it's only $50. So it really depends on your initial test budget. Because if you're going to be testing countries from the United States, the payout's going to be higher, but also you need a higher test budget. And if you're going to be testing a offer like Mexico, the payout's going to be lower. Let's just take a look at the payout for MX. So the payout for MX is 16 cents, but you only need $50 in testing budget, right? So this is very, very important. So my recommendation is to start with tier 3 countries. You're going to get more impressions, more conversions for a lower price. So for this campaign, I'm just going to go with, let's just say, Mexico, okay? And I'm going to target mobile devices because this is mobile, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so this is mobile. Let's continue to pop campaigns. Now for the landing page URL, you need to set up your tracking, whether you're going to be using CPV or you're going to be using Adstera, S2S Postback. I'm not going to go too much into detail here. I'm just going to grab the link like it's set up, right? So I'm just going to scroll down, grab this link. But you need to set up tracking. Don't do what I'm doing here. As you can see, this is not the final destination URL. So I'm going to pretend that this is set up correctly. So I'm just going to paste it inside here, right? But guys, if you want more information and you want to learn more about CPA marketing and paid advertising, then make sure to check out the school community that I launched last week. We already have 33 members and I'm going to be increasing the price at 50 members. So right now it's only $15 per month, guys, super low price. At 50 members, I'm going to be increasing. So there's about 17 spots left. And inside, you're going to find the CPA Video Academy paid traffic course, the affiliate escape plan. This is my flagship affiliate marketing course. There's almost 10 plus hours of content, all of my case studies. So if you click on Classroom and you join, you can see this is the CPA Video Academy course, right? This is the CPA affiliate escape plan course. So as you can see, tons and tons of modules and lessons. Then here you can find all of my case studies. Some of them are on YouTube, some of them are not on YouTube. And I'm gonna be doing Q&A sessions here. As you can see, where we already have members asking questions. So you can send me a private message right here. I answer to everyone almost instantly. And it's only $15 per month. But this is only for people that are serious and are looking to really get started and take action. So let's pretend that this link is correct and the tracking is set up. So I'm gonna scroll down and let's target Mexico. Okay, Mexico. And the price, right? This is the bid that I was mentioning. I'm gonna go back to my traffic chart, right? I'm gonna search for Mexico. I'm gonna click on pop under campaign, mainstream plus adult. I'm gonna click on mobile. And as you can see, the recommended CPM is $1.40. Now you can do something lower, you can do like $1, right? Nothing's gonna happen if you go with $1. But you can just add the recommended CPM if you want, right? I'm just gonna go with $1. And here, this is very important, I forgot to mention this. You wanna select your CPM or CPA, right? So CPM means cost per mile. You're gonna be paying per 1,000 ad impressions. And CPA is cost per acquisition. So this is how much you wanna pay per conversion. What I recommend here is if you're going to be testing your first campaign, click on CPM, okay? Click on Smart CPM, which means that it's going to automatically optimize, increase or decrease your bid. And we're going to add a CPA goal, which is down here, okay? We're going to add a CPA goal rule. Now the CPA goal rule is automatically going to remove ad placements that are overspending, right? So if we spend, for instance, $5 for one ad placement, and we don't get any conversions, it's automatically gonna remove that ad placement. So this is to prevent our campaign to spending money on ad placements that are simply not performing. So let's continue. For the total budget, I'm gonna select $50. This is recommended for Mexico. Start the campaign once verified, and now the targeting information. So here I'm gonna go back to Zaydu, okay? I'm gonna scroll up, and here you can see your browsers are recommended: Google Chrome, Samsung, Facebook, and Android. So I'm gonna select Android, okay? Oh, this is the OS versions. Okay, so let's go with the OS versions first. So OS versions are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So I'm gonna select basically later than 5, okay, because it's 5 right here. click Android, and earlier than 15. Right, so these are all of the OS versions. So later than 5 and 15. Now I'm gonna click on browser. So here it's Android, right, is all. Now it's Google Chrome. All versions. Let's go with Chrome as well, just here. Chrome and Chrome Android. And also the Facebook browser was there. I'm gonna go with Facebook, just like that. Okay, so language is all here, right here. So I'm gonna click on language and all. And the day of the week, time range and carry, I'm gonna leave this blank. For the frequency capping, nothing here. And I recommend to set a daily budget of, let's just go with, and set your hourly budget to $5 per hour. So it's gonna be spread out throughout the day. And now what I wanted to mention is your CPA goal rule. Now here we're basically gonna tell Adstera to remove all of our placements that are spending too much money with too little results. So I'm gonna click on custom, okay? Now, of course, you're gonna have to set up your tracking, so I'm just gonna ignore this. And for the optimization parameter, I'm gonna click on conversions. And here's what I like to do here. Now we wanna tell Adstera when to remove a specific ad placement from our campaign. So the payout for the geolocation Mexico is 16 cents. So let's multiply 16 cents by 2. So I'm gonna tell Adstera, right, if I spend 32 cents on a specific ad placement and get less, right, you can see the condition is less than 1 conversion, I want to remove this placement from the campaign. So 1, this equals to the payout of the offer, right? The payout is 16 cents. So if I spend 32 cents and make less than 16 cents, which is 1 conversion, I want to remove that placement from my campaign. So this is going to really help us to stop overspending on ad placements that are simply underperforming. And then once I have some results, I spend $20, $30, $40 on the campaign, then I can go inside the campaign and I can take a look at all the ad placements that are performing, and I can whitelist them right here. Okay, so I can blacklist or whitelist specific ad placements. So this is my typical campaign that I use when launching offers with the pop advertising format. So this is exactly what I would do if I was to start all over again and make my first 10K with CPA marketing. I would simply launch a pop campaign promoting simple flow offers with Adstera, and I would select either the advertising format CPA goal or CPM. And if it's gonna be a CPM campaign, I would set a CPA goal, something like this, okay? Now, of course, CPA marketing is all about testing different offers, campaigns, geolocations. I keep on saying this over and over again. If you launch your first campaign and you make profit, well, congratulations, but most of the time you just got lucky, all right? All comes down to testing. If you wanna master CPA marketing and you want more kind of one-on-one support and you wanna work with like-minded individuals, so make sure to check out my Super Affiliate Academy community. And I'm also working on a brand new CPA marketing paid ads course. It's gonna be much more in-depth. And this course is also going to be added inside my school community. So make sure to look out for that. And as I mentioned, price increasing at 50 members. So there is only 17 spots left. So make sure to click the link below. Sign up. You're gonna get one-on-one support, all of my courses, funnels, and most importantly, you're gonna get a chance to work with other people that are working towards the same goal. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found lots of value. Make sure to hit that like button if you did enjoy. And once again, link below in the description. Join our awesome community, and there we can have a chat. See you guys in the next video.